Hello and good morning. We are in Stadium Shah Alam today. It is 10:30 a.m. on a very hot Saturday morning. Most of the team is in Bukit Jalil for the VMS Motor Show. And here I am, and we're going to be doing this. We're going to get some drifting action today. So I've never done any drifting, and this will be my first time. And from the help with the boys at Retro Havoc, we'll be doing a little bit of donuts and maybe a figure of 8 today or tomorrow, who knows. But we'll be doing with that car as well as the Nissan Cefiro at that point. This should be interesting. So right now tengah ada one-on-one session dengan Cefiro ni. So professional driver akan bawa kita orang keluar one by one, and we'll be doing some donuts. So I will be up next in the passenger seat. Kita ada taxi ride, and we'll see how it goes lah. Dia akan ajar how exactly are we gonna do the clutch, the throttle, macam mana nak main, steering angle and whatnot. So we'll see how it goes. My ride is here. Hello. See, okay.
So if you notice, my steering I've never gone like, oh my god,
Yeah.
Just literally, you have to be in control. Stay calm and of course have fun lah.
For sure lah.
Then try to actually work together.
Yep. Okay. So we just did the taxi ride and very helpful actually. So I always thought drifting is all about, shifting the weight here and there, but it's more about feathering the control. So he showed me where the gears don't really matter and the clutch don't really matter, but the throttle and the steering input does. So all he did was feather the throttle, turn the steering, and lightly counter it, depending on the corner itself. Yeah, I think that went pretty well. Oh, I see.
So they done twice, and I'm like, how come we haven't finished? And like, see, your waiting is not nice.
Yeah lah, understandable.
But anyway, so remember, throttle is feather.
Okay.
Steering is just that little. But the initial first time when the car comes out, it is going to swing you. You know it's about to come out, you have to already get ready to counter steer lah.
I see. Okay.
Don't okay? Let's go over there.
Thanks, bro.
I'm sure you enjoyed that.
For sure I did.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
I'm trying to be it.
Well, that was interesting. First time. Thank you so much to Mervin. He taught me quite well. And I enjoyed that. It was fun. Let's see what's next. So hari ni kita dah day 2 dekat event ni. Sekarang dengan Ali from Retro Havoc.
Yeah.
So Ali, apa motif kita dengan event ni?
Okay, tujuan utama adalah untuk mencungkil bakat baru lah. That's why kita ambil semua student yang memang daripada zero, yang tak tahu apa-apa langsung dan hanya ada basic je. Macam pernah dengar, mungkin pernah belajar dari simulator atau mungkin pernah belajar dari YouTube. So untuk first round ni, kita tak buka untuk orang ramai, tapi kita pilih dari kenalan-kenalan kita, termasuk daripada kelas OBG sendiri. Kita pilih mana-mana student yang pernah daftar untuk belajar. Jadi kita ambil diorang ni supaya dapat hadir untuk sesi pertama KBS Drift, KLASS DRIFT KBS ni.
Thank you Ali.
Okay, thank you Noequal sebab datang cover kita punya event.
No problem. So we just wrapped up day 2. It's a Sunday, it's almost 3:30. It's really hot. And as you can see, more friends came out to play. We have an AE86 there. The boys from District 14 even joined us. And I think the event from MAM, KBS and Retro Havoc went pretty well. Though I only did manage to do some donuts and a figure of 8. Well, at least I didn't get to do that. Well, it seems really fun and I enjoyed it. Well, hopefully there will be more events coming up soon and hopefully they'll let me do some more drifting. Yep, see you soon.